Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel Westside Creation, the home of creativity. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use your Ankara material to make a scrunchie. Ankara material, we need our tape rule, we need our scissors and a small elastic band. The measurement for this scrunchie is 3, the width is 3 and the length is more than 60. So you fold it into 2, just like I'm doing now. You take it to your sewing machine and you sew it together. You sew that portion together. So I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers, my new subscribers. Thank you all for subscribing to my channel. You're welcome on board. To my returning subscribers, thank you for showing me love, for returning to watch my channel. Thank you. And for you who subscribe later, thank you. I appreciate you. So you fold the sewn part, you fold it inside, then you take the other part, you sew it just like I'm doing now. The sewn part is inside, so I'm sewing the upper part. Just watch me closely, it's not difficult at all. So you keep sewing it until you get to the end of the material. So when you get to the end of the material, you drag it from the middle. That's the one you folded inside initially. You start dragging it out and continue sewing it just like I'm doing now. You arrange it properly, then you continue sewing it until you get to the end of the Ankara material, until there's nothing else left to drag out. But make sure you leave a portion. You leave a portion, that's where you insert your elastic band. So after sewing it, the portion I left, I'm using it to bring out the Ankara material to the right side of the material. So this is the portion I left for the inserting of the elastic band. So I use my safety pin to insert my elastic. Just like I'm doing, you insert your elastic. So after inserting it, you tie it. Make sure you tie it properly. Then you close up the portion left behind. So this is the final look of the scrunchie. Now you can make this with any material, any fabric of your choice. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.